Any successful website promoter knows the whole SEO campaign is built upon the foundation of on-page optimization. Whatever trendy SEO tricks you will further try out off-page, the first thing to take care of is your website's actual flesh, each page's coding and content, so that your SEO is not a soap bubble, but a rock-solid construction rising right to the top of Google. What only the savviest guys realize, and keep to themselves to grab the biggest slice of the rankings pie, is that your website isn't just a set of separate and independent pages. To hit it big in Google, you have to look upon your site as a closely knit structure, a many-celled organism, with each tiny problem spot affecting the whole. Website Auditor has booked you a warm place in the very small circle of the savviest. From now on, you can squeeze the largely undiscovered potential on-page SEO has when applied to the whole website. Even the techie stuff only webmasters used to be in charge of now brings grist to your rankings mill. Yet, Website Auditor keeps optimization so easy a child can handle it. Okay, let's walk the talk. See for yourself what this fantastic tool can do for a website in just a few minutes. This time, we'll use it to put to rights the website of our free practical SEO guide at SEOinpractice.com. So, we launch the Website Auditor and enter the URL of the website we're going to optimize. Then press Next to fire up the tool, and the magic starts. Believe it or not, it takes only a few minutes for Website Auditor to find all 342 pages our website has and nicely put them into a tree-like list. We've got the whole website architecture laid out in front of us to scrutinize and analyze. Another click of the mouse, and here is a real information mine. Dozens of crucial factors are analyzed here in the table. We can add some more or remove those we don't need right now. Just switch to Workspace's wizard and fine-tune your working area. Back to the table. Let's get down to work. The HTTP status code column shows you if any of your pages have loading problems and what kind of problems those are. Remember, each and every page of your website should load properly. That's an unbreakable rule, unless you feel perfectly well with your website on some 99th position in Google. Load problems on a single page can undermine the rankings of all others. So we're looking through the HTTP status code column to see how we're doing. Ouch! It seems our page SEOsoftwarebundle.html has error 404 not found, and we should fix it right off. Well, what next? Search engines are unbending when it comes to duplicate content on your pages. Duplicate titles are an absolute no-no. Website Auditor has already checked titles for all 342 pages of SEOinpractice.com. And we see that SEO in Practice, free SEO book for Internet entrepreneurs, is used 4 times on our pages. Don't play down the power of titles. Get rid of the duplicate titles, and this alone can propel your website upward by over 20 positions. Besides, titles are placed in search engines just above the link to your page and lure users to visit it. Website Auditor shows which of your pages have no title or titles too long to be fully displayed. In both those cases, the pages don't seem very click attractive. Fix the titles, and you can pump up the traffic you get from search engines, whatever your site's position. Another thing to pay huge attention to is links you have on your pages. All links must be faultless, so that Google doesn't have to stumble over the out-of-order ones when reading your site. Website Auditor has checked all pages for broken links. It appears that groupingkeywords.html has one, and now we'll surely mend it. Here comes the really hot stuff. Google PageRank is one of the most important factors to determine the rankings of a page. Right here, PageRank is counted for each of your pages. The higher it is, the higher a page is likely to rank. But did you know you can take any page and push it closer to the top in Google by giving it some PageRank from other pages of your website? PageRank is transferred through links, and the amount of it that pages can potentially pass is calculated in the link value column. The higher the link value, the more PageRank a link from the page carries. So, if we want our page certificate.html to rank higher, we ask Website Auditor which of our pages can donate maximum PageRank and link from them to certificate.html. A link from linkexchange.html, for instance, will do certificate.html a lot of good. Each little tweak can push your website several ranks up, and with Website Auditor, you get such a huge field for SEO activity. There are even more things to tune up as you pass on to Website Report, chock full of priceless data and spot-on advice. There are countless other things dealing with your website as a system that will completely blow you away as you download the software. We could talk about these knockout features for hours, but that would delay the moment Website Auditor starts actually working for you. So let's quickly move on to content optimization of each separate page. So, when your website's system works like a click, you can go over to polishing up the content of each particular page. And here comes the cherry on the pie. You can rope in dam burst flows of traffic from however many keyword niches. Just optimize different pages of your website for different words. You can choose a page to optimize right here in the list of pages. Or switch to Web Pages tab and press Analyze. Then enter the keywords you want the page to rank high for. And pick the search engine you want it to rank high in. Yeah, you've got plenty to choose from. And even if the search engine you need is not supported yet, you can request it added and have it there pretty soon free of charge. Not very expensive, is it? Now, like a genie out of the bottle, Website Auditor fulfills any website promoter's wishes. It gives the step-by-step plan of action that leads you by the hand to the #1 ranking for the desired keyword in the desired search engine. No voodoo working here. There is an absolutely real-life and strikingly brilliant secret behind the sure-winning on-page SEO strategy you get. What Website Auditor has done is that it found your top 10 competitors for the specified keyword, analyzed the content on their pages, drew out their most effective optimization techniques, and made up a perfect optimization plan for your web page based on your competitors' road-tested experience. In just 5 seconds, you get years of cutting-edge SEO experience crystallized right at your fingertips. Your competitors have come a long way optimizing their content, then testing it and tweaking it and testing again until they came up with the best working formula. And Website Auditor got the on-page optimization formula delivered to you straight from Google's mouth in 5 seconds. Not bad at all. Now you have 2 options to choose from. You're let loose to scrutinize the data on your own, turning it this way and that, or go straight to Report section to get no-brainer directions, making your website Google's #1. So here is a pretty big and detailed chart for those who like taking matters into their own hands. These are all the keywords found throughout the content of your page. You can see how many times a particular keyword is used in all page elements, in the body, title, meta descriptions, meta keywords, H1 tags, and so on. For instance, the word SEO is used 49 times, which is 4.6%. The score column is particularly interesting, for it tells you what keywords have the most weight for the search engines, and again, SEO happens to be the word. Below the chart is a cloud map with all the keywords. That's the way your page appears to search engines. The bigger the keyword, the more weight it has for Google. Now, for step-by-step optimization guidelines, we move to the report section. All through the reports, Website Auditor marks problem spots that need attending to with red markers and those that go all right with green. As you can see, there are numerous types of reports to choose from. In the A to Z Content Optimization Report, you get plain English advice on what exactly you should do and how. No detailed comments needed? Here is your convenient and laconic in-house report. And how about seeing your web page through search engine's eyes? Switch to the special Search Engine View Report template, where you can walk through your content in the shoes of the Googlebot. And here comes another doozy. When you download Website Auditor, you not only get all the top-notch reports it has, but can also easily shape your own to match your taste and needs. With Website Auditor, you can also quickly print out the reports, email them, or even get them published on the web. Read your reports in print whenever and wherever you like, without peering into the screen. If you're an SEO company, This website auditor skill will turn client reporting into a mouse-click job, while keeping your customers on Cloud 9. So, we've taken only a quick tour over Website Auditor's major features. There are so many killer options you're yet to discover as you download this peerless software. Website Auditor is a 200% guarantee that your website is built and optimized to the T, even if you have little or no technical knowledge. And all the on-page SEO fuss is done in absolutely no time, sparing you weeks and months for whatever other things you wish to do. You have absolutely nothing to risk, and the unshakable #1 ranking to grab. Put Website Auditor to use before your competitors unearth it. Get your free download now.